Okay guys, 2024 Model 3, long range, all-wheel drive, dual motor, rebuilt title, undercarriage damage, is what it's claimed. We've taken it to Tesla, they've inspected it, so battery high voltage test, they got to check the battery and everything underneath there. Can't have any dents in the battery or anything to pass high voltage, so it's all been checked out. Will supercharge. It's got hardware 4 on it, so capability of full self-drive, latest update. So there's hardware 4, you can see 16,335, long range dual motor. So you got to have the paid subscription to get the full self-drive to go. I don't know if it shows anything here. Yeah, so there's monthly full self-drive there. I think that gets you all your music stations. Stream live music, camera feeds. Yeah, so you got some upgrades you can do there. Seats, heated, cooled, rear heat, slide button, make it go. I think the camera is the only other thing I need to show you here. Hold on. Kind of a suede. Like 16,000 miles on it. Check out our inventory at realdealauto.com.